Have you, a family member, or a friend sustained a motor vehicle collision recently or in the past, and you had all kinds of issues from that, like whiplash in the neck or the back, any kind of complications from the accident, and didn't really know what to do, didn't know how to take care of your health regarding that? And obviously we get concerned in Florida because a lot of times with these accidents, we kind of get stuck in the racket of personal injury, and we don't get on the path that we really need to get our health back. And one of the things that we see in our office a lot with these types of patients is the fact that they are in a lot of pain, and it can be long term, and that can really affect your work activities, your activities of daily living, your sports, anything like that. It can really impact it, and you never got the treatment you deserved and weren't guided on that path. And one of the things that we see in South Florida a lot of times is your health is not put first. Everything else for the cases, and maybe even money, is put into the equation first above your health, and you really don't know where to turn to. We just unfortunately see that a lot. You end up with a lot of pain medications you don't want or need, potentially surgery, and you're just another number at a big personal injury mill. Well, at our practice, we mostly treat a lot of regular folks that are active and healthy, but when they unfortunately do get into a motor vehicle collision, we try to really treat you like everybody else. Our goal is to get you better first, and we have a health first mentality and set you up on a short, concise treatment plan, making sure you get all the proper imaging and orthopedic visits or neurologists. If you've got a concussion, we try to get you down the path for that, and always putting your health ahead of everything else and making sure that you get a first-class experience so you don't get kind of burned like a lot of people do. And I think unfortunately what's happening is when people do get into accidents, they have this kind of dark cloud over them, and they know that if they're not careful, they're going to just be a victim of the system that has become personal injury in Florida. So we try to treat you like one of our pro athletes or one of our weekend warriors or just one of our desk workers. We really get you the care you deserve and make sure that we set up a treatment plan that you can follow. In our practice, we do everything from muscle work, which when you have any kind of whiplash injury, it's going to be a strain of the muscles and a sprain of the ligaments, and you're going to have some instability in certain areas and spasm in others. So we're going to apply muscle work, like soft tissue therapy, massage, that type of work to get those muscles to relax on you. We're going to give you certain modalities to try to help with the pain. We're going to also do corrective exercise rehab. And then when warranted and imaging allows for it, we may do some spinal manipulation in certain areas to help restore movement in that area. But we're going to tailor the treatment plan to you, treat you like all of our other great patients, and not just another number of people that got into an auto accident. And so we'll make sure we guide you through this process because it can be very confusing, and we always try to make sure that the communication is really consistent for you each visit, that you know that you're getting in the right care and you're going in the right direction, and everything is going to really end up in your benefit for your health long term. So if that is you and you're looking for really good care, avoid the personal injury mill, give us a call. We can do a consultation for free to see if your auto accident is something that we can help you with the injuries that you sustained from that. I'm Dr. Kevin Christie. You can call our office at 561-997-8898, and I'd love to have a conversation with you about this issue.